Hello friends, my name is Sanjeev Budoni. Today I will teach you how to use linear layout and what are the properties and attributes available in linear layout. So I will show you in program how you can use these attributes and properties for building a better UI. Okay, so we're just opening the Android Studio. I have already created a basic sample program linear layout sample which contain default main activity. Okay, so basically a linear layout, it's a very common or simple layout which act as a container that holds children in either horizontal or in vertical way. So you just open the Google and search the linear layout. When you search it, the first link, you just click on first link. So the page is open. So a layout that arranges its children in a single column or a single row. The direction of row can be set by calling the set orientation. So now I will show you how can you use this. So you just open the Android Studio, open the XML. Okay. So basically this is a container of linear layout where by default few properties are set. Layout width is match parent and layout height is match parent, and orientation. This attribute we have to change it either if you want to put on the basis of vertical or in horizontal direction. So we have changed the orientation vertical. Now we just putting the children inside the linear layout container. Button, match parent, and wrap content. We just adding the text on button. It's button 1. Okay, now we just copy the same button and paste them again and change the text button 1 to button 2. Now we just run this sample and see how the children are arranged. Wait for a second. Actually Grader is building the Android project. Now APK is installing. So button 1 and button 2 are arranged in a vertical direction. So through this way you can change the orientation of a buttons either in vertical or horizontal. Now I will show you in horizontal direction. Now when you change the orientation horizontal, your layout width is match parent. So only one button is visible. So you have to change it into wrap content, because wrap content means only required space they occupy. Otherwise only single button is visible if you set the layout width as a match parent. Okay. So now we are again running the same program and bus not only single changing the orientation. Wait for a second. Now the buttons are aligned in horizontal direction. So through these changes you can done with the help of orientation. Now the two more attributes, padding and margin. I will show you how to use and what are the difference between the padding and the margin. So in first button we just putting the padding 20 dp, and the second button we just putting the margin 20 dp, and you will see what are the difference between them. Okay, so we just running the sample program. Just wait for a second. APK is installing on emulator. So in first button we are just adding the button. So the padding is inside the button showing. You have seen the button sizes increases, and in second button there is a margin around all the corners of the buttons. So you easy to understand what is the difference between the padding and the margin. So margin just occupy the surrounding space, and padding just adding the space internal the button. Okay. Now there is a one more attribute available in linear layout, that is weight sum. If you want to divide the screen into two equal ratio, either width or height, you can use weight sum. Now I will show you how to use weight sum. So orientation is horizontal, fine, no need to change. Now the button 1, there is a one more thing. In linear layout you need to add weight sum. Weight sum 1, and both the button you need to add weight layout weight 0.5, which means you have divided the screen into two equal ratio 0.5 0.5. Now we just removing these margins and padding, there is no need. And when you using the weight sum, so you need to define layout width 0 dp. Oops, 0 dp. Now you check the output. The two buttons are equally divided into screen. So the button 1 and button 2 are equally divided into two parts. So this is the way you can use the weight sum, and you can develop. There are a lot of UI designs with the help of linear layout. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video.